Hi, my name is Cody Schultz. I'm the manager of our Custom Solutions Group here at HM Cragg. Today we want to showcase a project we have on our production floor that a customer brought to us. They needed help with a UPS system to provide backup power at a grid scale battery energy storage system that was going to be outside. So we have a NEMA 4 enclosure, and on the inside we have an Eaton 9PX 2200 UPS, that's 2.2 kVA of load support with additional runtime battery modules. The cabinet features a fully insulated design, 4-post racking system for mounting the UPS, and a solar shield on the top with lift eyes. The cabinet also features a 4,000 BTU air conditioner on the front. And on the back side of the enclosure, you can see all the custom assembly of the UPS equipment, including all the wiring of the UPS and the battery cabinets, all the wire management, up to the custom input-output distribution panel. So we have hardwire input terminal blocks, output distribution breakers, and the system also features hydrogen monitoring and exhaust systems. If you find a project that requires custom backup power solutions, please give HM Cragg a call.